Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the trigger of your Dyson SV14 vacuum. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can handle it effectively. Let's get started. First, you will need a few essential tools: a screwdriver set, a small flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have a clean workspace to keep all parts organized. Begin by unplugging your vacuum. Safety is paramount. Next, you'll want to remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the trigger mechanism. Now, locate the screws that secure the trigger assembly. Using your screwdriver, carefully unscrew these components. Keep track of the screws, you don't want to lose them. If you're unsure about handling this, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. You might need to use your flathead screwdriver to assist in this step, as the assembly can be slightly tight. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After extracting the old trigger, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth or brush to remove any dust or debris. A clean environment is crucial for the efficient functioning of your vacuum. Next, take your new trigger and align it in the correct position. Ensure that it fits snugly and securely in the slot. If you don't have the tools to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. Now, it's time to reattach the screws. Securely fasten them in place, ensuring everything is tight but not overly so, as this can cause damage. If you're unsure about the repair, just a reminder, we provide a quote before repair, which can give you peace of mind regarding costs. Once all screws are tightened, reattach the dustbin. Plug your vacuum back in and turn it on to test the new trigger. Make sure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. That's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance significantly. Thank you for following along, and remember, proper tools and a clean workspace can make all the difference in DIY repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.